Well, hi, I'm Nivin. I'm going to explain my second experiment in Unix lab. So my second experiment question is to write a shell program for these all questions. I have to write shell command for grades of 3 numbers, student grade calculation, electricity bill calculator, and finding whether the alphabets are vowel or constant, and given numbers are palindrome or not. So let's get on to my program. My first program is to find the greatest of 3 numbers. So the echo command will display all the shell scripting in output. So greatest of 3 numbers, echo means it will display the greatest of 3 numbers. So I have to enter my first number. So read will get the input from the user, and the second number for read B in another variable will get the second number, and for reading the third number read C. And for using that simple for displaying, I have to compare all 3 numbers. First I am comparing with A, the first number with second number, and first number with the third number, and for that I am displaying the first output, and second one I am displaying the second number and third number and displaying the third one, and from these two I am displaying whether the first number is greater or second number is greater. So these are my command. I'll execute for you. So enter my first number, so 5, second number 7, my third number is 2, so 7 is the greatest number. So here's my output for my first program. And my second program is for the student grade calculation. For echo I have to ask the user for enter for 5 marks. I am reading the 5 marks from the user. For read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I am reading the 5 marks from the user. So for average I am adding all the 5 and I am dividing it with my average value. So I am equating the value 90 is equal to A grade, 80 is equal to B grade, 70 is equal to C grade, 60 is equal to D grade. Whether the student is getting A grade, I am equating that grade with that alphabet A. Whether the student is getting the grade 90, it will be equated with A and will be printed as grade is A. So it will be equated with B again. So if whether it's 80, and will be graded with 70 whether the grade is 70 or not, and it will be graded with 60 whether the grade is 60. So if the student is getting below all the 4 grades, the student will be failed. So I will display the output. So after I enter my first mark, that's 77, second mark, third mark, fourth mark, fifth mark. So for whether adding everything and dividing, and the student is getting grade C. So mark average is 77. And my third program is electricity bill calculator. I'm echo. I'm getting the initial reading from the user and the final reading from the user. I'm adding everything and displaying and dividing with 2 for the electricity bill calculation. I'm displaying the output for you. I have to enter the initial reading, so 66, final reading is 123. So total cost of using 57 units, and my cost of electricity bill is rupees 114. My fourth program is enter. I have to read a letter from an user and display whether it's a vowel or constant. I'm get A, E, I, O, U are the 5 constants which have been known. I'm equating every letter the user is entered with A, B, A, E, I, O, U, and whether it's equating to it will be displayed as a vowel or else it will be displayed as a consonant. So the user, I'm asking the user to enter the alphabet. Displaying E means it's a vowel. As the user is displaying Q, it's a consonant. And my fifth program is I have to enter a number and check whether the user entered numbers are palindrome or not. I'm getting the input from the user. These are the commands for replacing it, whether the user is palindrome or not. I'm checking whether the given number and reversing it and seeing whether it's a palindrome. If it's a palindrome, it's entered as number is a palindrome, or else it will be entered as number is not a palindrome. uses as a starting point a number, so I'm entering 1 2 3 2 1. It displays the numbers of palindrome. If entering numbers 1 2 3 4 5, it will be not displayed as numbers and not a palindrome. So thank you.